Oh, now we're live. I see. So this entire time I wasn't on streaming. Okay, that makes more sense. So let me see if I can find this on here. Refresh this. Still not seeing it. Interesting. Well, since everyone here is like just now joining, I'm gonna ask about the quality. Uh, okay, yeah, so I can kind of show off what I'm doing, but I kind of want to finish this first. So this is the object laser power up, and it needs to have a different sprite. And okay, since we duplicated it, destroy itself, it's gonna play that sound. For the power up pickup. And then also we should just drop a bunch of them in the arena for now. So let's go to arena random and drop about 1,000,000 of these guys. Later on, this needs to be done with a spawner. Because I like having everything like dynamically created. This is not really my thing. Also, it's like feels like a highly manual process of like creating levels. I like some dynamic levels. That's what I'm about. Okay, so let's try this again. Okay. Did I just drop it? Okay, so here's a laser one. Let me show off the bullet power up. Look at that aiming, it's so off. Now we got two. But also the bullet delay is like messing us up. It's interesting. Look at that. And then I died. Did I even show up in the kill feed, or did my health go to... Yeah, look, nobody shot me. So... I think I can only respawn. I want to collect as many as I can. It's already like exponentially more fun just because I can like pick up power-ups. Blank shot to death, George. Okay. Oh, but I ran out of time, didn't I? What's my timer set to? 30 seconds? Yeah, that's probably why it ended so quickly. How's this look? Still looks like crap. I want to check on my phone how this looks. I should be able to see it, right? Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look bad on my phone. It's still kind of blurry. It goes up to 720. Okay. Yeah, it goes up to 720. Which is all I want. But it keeps on going down to, keeps on going back to auto if I select anything higher than 360. That is so annoying. Yeah, I don't know what else I can do about it. If anyone else happens to join, let me know. Okay, so we just added all that. So now let's make it so. First, let me see this. If I collided with that, then we play sound and we destroy ourselves. So this is definitely going to get pulled into object, like a parent object. Object tank parent. See, we don't have any collisions here, which is so annoying. Object player. Okay, here's the collision. If we do that, then we increase num bullets. So both of these could be in the parent. Object tank parent. Add event. Collision. I should make a power up category. Okay. I'll double test that in a second. So let me just remove it from object player. And then delete that event. Oh, what did I just do? This one's the one that needs to go. What did I delete something else? I'm scared. Alright, let's just run it. I hope I didn't delete anything important. This actually ends up being less effective because of the delay, because more bullets are being created. Nothing bad seems to be happening. Can I still blow up tanks? I don't think I actually deleted anything. It's really pronounced now that you can see when they first spawn. When the bullets first spawn, like right close to my tank, they're white because its color is like created dynamically, like based on who the tank parent, like who the bullet belongs to, not the parent, but like who has the bullet. So now if you like increase it to like, you know, I'm shooting a bunch of them, then you can really see that they're white at first. Okay. Flashlight. So that's that. I want to do it in the parent. Although most of the laser code I know is in the player itself, like the parent can't shoot lasers. Here's the shoot laser. Ba, 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 ba. I could make a boolean that says had laser and set it to true or false. That's probably like the easiest way to do it right now. And I'm gonna put that code in the parent. I'll put it in the create. And I'll just make a little section here for power-ups. Has laser equals false. Oh, look, there's two. How did I not delete that? They're identical. Okay. I have no idea what I'm doing. Clearly. Oh, it's grayed out. I see. It's from the parent. Okay. Let's add an event. Collision. Miscellaneous. Object. Laser power. Okay. And then I called it what has laser. Did I use camel case for that? It'd be cool if every like laser you picked up like then upgraded your laser. So let's do object laser power up. So where was I before? I was at the this is the child. But I do want the child because that's where the laser firing code is. The reason it's like not in both is because it depends on a click. I wish you could do that Python syntax, but the sound. I know the sounds are annoying. Color. Some of them look really bad. Oh, I'm running out of time. So right now I don't have a laser. Pick it up. I have a laser. So I think that's working. Look at this, it's HD on the actual stream. 1060 HD. See, that's pretty cool. Okay. Let us continue. So there are a number of things that I could fix. One thing I could do is just go check my issues page on GitHub. Because I kind of want to see. Oh yeah, so the bubble sort code is still messed up. Tanks, game runs at different speeds on different platforms. Yeah, that seems bad. Add new weapons, power-ups, blocks, snap to wrong tile, grid space. Bullets initially spawn in white. Add new weapons, power-ups. Full screen's broken. I just want it to be like fun quickly, you know? I'm not really too concerned about a laser. I want to do things that will make the game fun quickly. I don't like the delay when you pick up a new power-up, and I don't like that it like comes in angled slightly when you just have one. Let me check out the spread again, like when you pick up a bunch of them. Hold up. How do you search again? It's not Control Shift R. It's Control Shift. Okay. Arena. I thought it was Arena Timer. Is that right? I just need to give myself some more time. Arena. Whatever. I know where it is. Oh, another thing. There's too many miscellaneous here. Add group. Let's call it power-ups. You go there, you go there. Then let's make another one. Add group, weapons, object laser, object bullet, parent fragment, object tile, object score, object warning. Okay. I mean, these aren't really miscellaneous anymore. Are they? Did I fix it? Did I pull that out? Yeah, so now miscellaneous is at the same level as all this. Wait, where's power-ups? It never moved it out of miscellaneous? Oh, okay. Yeah. So we want to look at logic, object arena logic. And then I want to go find the timer. Timer val. So it must be here. Timer val 30. Let's make it 100 real quick. I wonder if that's going to mess up the formatting. Oh, so the bullet should be like in the middle of the cursor, but now they're just progressively getting more like counterclockwise. Also, did that make me a max of, do I have a max of 3, or did I just pick up a laser? I just picked up a laser. More lasers. So what is the best way to code that so that the middle one is always in the center? And then progressively after that, I feel like 2, oh look, I died and I reset my power up, see? Gotta love it. The player, yeah, I have a lot of good ideas. I want these colors to be the same as the colors as like the tank you killed. I know it sounds kind of simple, but I think that might be cool. But yeah, first things first, I want to fix that code. So that code is in shoot bullet. So we're doing I times 10, and that just makes it more. This is like some geometry type shit. So I times 10. 10 degrees. But I is 1 initially, so it adds 10 to it initially. So maybe that should be I equals 0. Yeah, that should be I equals 0. And then after that, we could. The easiest thing I can think of. Depending on whether or not this is an even number, make it negative or positive. Let me just double check though that this 0 thing worked. I think it did. Also, I'm kind of having fun playing it for like the first time. Oh, look, no, it gave me 0. I really can't shoot. If I pick one up, can I shoot? I can. Okay, so I equals 0, and initially num bullets is it 0 or 1? Yeah, it's 1. Just like going back and forth between. Okay, yeah. Can we just do that? I seriously hate the other view. Okay. It's just so confusing. Can I close the whole workspace? What will happen? Nothing happens. Oh, okay, this is fine. I don't even have to use that view. I don't even have to use that view. Shoot bullet. I times 10, it's initially 1. When I equals, okay. It's creating 1 here. When I equals 0, I is less than or equal to 1. I plus plus. The first time it comes through, this is 0. This is 0 times 10, which is 0, plus the current angle of the turret. Zero. 1 times 10. So it should be plus 10 degrees. But for some reason, it's like not giving me any bullets. Unless I just forgot to save it. Is that possible? Let me just try it one more time. Then otherwise I'll put an if statement that says if I equals 0. Red is the best color. Okay, I'm not getting anything. I don't understand the math here. Now I have one, but it's slightly off. It's really confusing me. Is it like an order of operations problem? I is less than num bullets. So num bullets is 1. It should be creating one, isn't it? I forgot how to do a debug message. I just want to make sure it's actually going into here. So I have to be clicking. Make sure we're at the bottom here. No, can't do that. Bullets for loop. Okay, so it is entering it. I'm not sure what. It's not creating it. It's like it's getting like a bad angle or something. It's getting a bad angle. It's actually going in there, but it's getting a bad angle. Because it should be creating it right here. So it doesn't like the 0 times 10. I think I just thought of a... I don't understand why adding 0 like breaks it. Let's try making that 1. Okay, so let's just do angle offset equals I times 10. I'm going to use modulus if it's an even number. Because we want it to do every other one, then we set it equal to... No. I is greater than or equal to 1. And then we do, I don't know. This might fix it, but it's kind of messy. Is there a plus equals? I guess we'll find out. Or maybe I need to be doing like radians or something. Let's try that. That's still offset, isn't it? Yes. Stupid. Okay. Straight line. I don't need this eye. It's kind of just like, I guess I'm kind of just tweaking it based on feel right now. I should be using this angle offset constant. I didn't even use it. Blah, blah, blah. And then we'll make it negative. Angle offset's always going to be 10, isn't it? So I might as well pull that into the parent object tank parent tank. Yes. Object tank parent create. You can go up here. Okay, let's see how this looks. I'm scared. Oh wait, that's kind of cool. That's kind of what I wanted. We got the one in the middle, one on each side. This is not what I wanted. It's okay, I don't want to debug that anymore. Yikes. So, where do I draw the kill feed? I don't really want to work on that bullet problem anymore because it's so like twitchy, it's so like finicky. So many print statements. I kind of want to work on like adding the colors to the kill feed, but I have no idea right now where I draw that stuff. It might not even be a script. Yeah. Wow, that's quite a line. I think this is the draw kill feed function. Yeah, and I think who the player is gets appended here. So that might not work. I'm gonna call this draw kill feed. It's not debug, it's not menu. This is out of control though. I might make one for weapons. So let's do a group, weapons, scripts. Projectile kick can go in weapons scripts. Shoot bullet can go in weapons scripts. Shoot laser. SFX, I feel like glow and tile fall under that. Okay, this script is important for what I want to do. Object arena info. Where's arena info? Yeah, I want an info script. So yeah, we'll make a script for that. Draw. Arena random, no. Okay. I know what I need. I need the arena. Don't need fonts open right now. Do I? No. Okay, so also draw the information for the arena. This is what I wanted. Another way to organize this would be to like organize it for the object that has the script. I don't hate that either, but like sometimes no, I feel like the script always runs in an object, right? What the hell is this global colors? And we have a color counter. Huh. Did not know there was a color counter. Well, let's just try it. No, don't want to try it. I was looking for what the hell is this? I This game is big. Like there's like parts of the code base I'm not even like touching as I'm adding features. I mean, part of that is also like GameMaker and not really knowing where everything is. I'm still not seeing where. Okay, here's where it's created. Used for iterating through the modes. Oh, okay, I remember why I made this color array. Because like dull colors look really bad. Every tank has a color, obviously. It's image blend. Make color HSV. Is that a script that I wrote? No. So tanks do still have a random color. They don't have a color from the global random color list for the player. I could simplify all that code, all that color code, and just have it use like this similar formula, kind of, and then just have like a color picker. Every time you click an arrow, generate a new color. What about children tanks? What about the player? Okay, so good. You're still in C. I just want to keep track of all this. It's been a while since I touched this part of the code. Eh. I'm trying to pull it and move it into the tool like that. Well, alright. So I think what I'm trying to do is like a really simple fix. I just need to use like the image blend when I'm drawing it. Go away. Go away. No. Bad. This tab just says code. What the fuck? What is this menu system? I don't like it. Ah. No. You go away too. It's not that simple to fix, actually. Because what I do is I add the name, the type, oh boy. I need to see that draw thing again. Arena info. Where is that function called? DS list find value. Oh my god, this line of code is just nuts. I can like hardly even read it. Let's separate it by argument. There's just some real craziness happening there. I don't even know what this means. String hash to new line. Did I write this? It's nuts. Also, why does this loop go in reverse? Probably because it wants to start at the top of the feed. That's so weird. I think, yeah, I mean, and then these are the dimensions, like where it's going to draw it. Okay. This is the line that's a little bit weird. Why does it do find value? Why doesn't it do get value? I want to look at this documentation for this. Would it do the same thing if instead of doing find value, I did, if I just did arena info I? So string hash to new line, that just accepts one argument? Okay. Not sure. Okay, well, before I change that, let me just check the feed real quick. It's like so weird. What the fuck is this? An accessor. Y'all gotta be shitting me. That's so fucking weird. That worked. That's so stupid. I don't understand that syntax. That's right. I like playing in debug mode for. I don't know. I like the graphics better. This game's in desperate need of some better music too. Hmm. Hmm. Type. Where is this function called? It must be called in collisions. Yep. Oh boy. This belongs to the laser step function. Add kill info to arena laser. Am I missing a bracket or something? Why does it do it? Every time there's a step event. Shouldn't it do it? Oh, this laser code is fucked up. Okay. The type just gets added as an argument. I'm just gonna do this, and then we need another one that has name 1. Yeah, okay. Call it names 1, names 2. Do I still have the create function? Yeah. So we need one for each. Like it's gonna have to be offset. Cool. Depending on the length of the name too, that's gonna be a problem. Oh, did I try doing this photo? This should be. Aren't there strings in here already? Like, did I write this without like even thinking? We'll see. I should already have strings inside of it. Yeah. What the hell? Okay. I need to get the color of the name. It's gonna be tricky. Alright, I think that's it for me. I'm getting pretty tired. So I'll catch you guys on the next stream, to be continued.